Hi, welcome to Best Solution 9. As we started the ArcGIS Pro software, so the first tutorials were about the first was the comparison between the old version, that is ArcGIS and ArcGIS Pro. So the first tutorial was about the comparison between ArcGIS Pro and ArcMap, and the second tutorial was about the downloading and installation of the ArcGIS Pro, and today our tutorial is about the start window or first window of ArcGIS Pro. So starting the ArcGIS Pro, so click here for starting. So this is the first window or start window of ArcGIS Pro. So the ArcGIS Pro Start window is the first window that appears when you launch ArcGIS Pro. It provides access to the most common tasks you will need to perform in ArcGIS Pro, such as creating a new project, opening an existing project, or accessing recently used projects or other resources online. Okay, so these are the so this is the ArcGIS Pro first window, and it is also called start window of the ArcGIS Pro. Okay, so the first element of ArcGIS Pro is the recent projects. So a list of your most recent used project, making it easy to access your previous work. If you already work in the different projects, then you can see in recent projects. Okay, so these are the list of recent projects, and you have already worked in these projects, and you can open any one of these projects. Okay, and you can also pin the any project in the top. Okay, so you can also pin here. Okay, so this is the first element, and second is the element of another open another project. This means that if your project are not included in these recent projects, and that is saved in another places, so you can open from this element. Okay, so open another project. So click here, and you can see here your projects. If you saved in any places, then you will select from these list, and you can open on the project. Okay, so you can select and then you will open the project. So these are the projects that are not included in the recent projects list. So then you can select and then you can open from this window. Okay, this is the setting button. If you click here, then you will see about the ArcGIS Pro software. This is the product information, ArcGIS Pro 2.8.3, and this is the copyright, and this is the view the ArcGIS Pro copyright acknowledgement and trademarks, and this is the software update. So this is all about the information about the ArcGIS Pro software. Okay, if you are new user and you create new project, then you click here. Okay, so this is the map, and if you click here, then the window appear where there is the name of the project. You can give any name of the project, and this is the location, the path where you to save any where in the drives. Okay, so this is the path that you save, and this is the name of the project. Okay, so from this you can create a new project. Okay, if you click here, this is the if you click here, my new project, okay, my new project. So then you can click here, then you will open the project. Okay, so this is the new project. If you open the new project in global scene or local scene or catalog, then you can create a new project here from the new menu, and this is the method to open the new project. Okay, so these are the recent templates. If you worked in any template, so and you save for next projects, so that will be appear here. Okay, and if you select another template, then you click here. If you have another templates, then you will to open from this place. Okay, so this is the another project template. Okay, so these are the resources. Okay, the resources, these are the online resources. If you click here, then you will if you click here, then you can see data from this from the if you have internet, then you will use it. Okay, quick start and learn ArcGIS. Okay, ArcGIS, how to learn ArcGIS, and then the Esri Academy, the Esri communication, and this is the blog for information, and this is the help. Okay, so help is the this is the online link and support resources for ArcGIS Pro. So, and this is the sign in. If you have an account in ArcGIS Pro online account, then you can sign in, and you can you can download any data from the GIS account. Okay, so this is the start window of ArcGIS Pro. The start window is designed to be user friendly and making it easy for you to get started with ArcGIS Pro. Whether you are new to GIS or an experienced user, the start window provides a convenient and efficient way to access the tools and resources you need to be productive. Okay, so this is the first window, start window of the ArcGIS Pro. For next topics and for new tutorials of ArcGIS Pro, you must subscribe the YouTube channel, which is a best solution plan. Okay, thank you.